There are two major areas of the brain that are central for the formation of new neurons or neurogenesis, the hippocampus and the cerebellum. The hippocampus is the hub for the formation of new neurons. It involves spatial learning and long-term memory. The cerebellum contributes to the coordination of movement, also involved in intellectual functioning such as executive functioning skills, spatial cognition, and language. These two parts of the brain have the highest granule cell neurons. Granule cells continually produce. They are sensitive to their environment and the learning attached to the cell in order to survive. The prefrontal cortex during adolescence remains in a process of continuous change of growth, pruning, rewiring, and maturation. It is one of the last areas of the brain to develop. The other part of the brain involved in neuroplasticity is the amygdala. It is responsible for thought, emotion, and behavior. Teenagers rely on the amygdala to make decisions as the prefrontal cortex is not fully developed yet. During adolescence, connectivity is changing in the amygdala and rewiring is in process. If we compared the adult brain to the adolescent brain, it would be shown that the adult brain lights up in the prefrontal cortex when using higher thinking skills. Adolescents' prefrontal cortexes are not fully developed yet, and you will find that the amygdala light up instead of areas in the prefrontal cortex. It's not that students don't have frontal lobe capabilities, but rather that their signals are not getting to the back of the brain fast enough to regulate their emotions. It's why risk-taking and impulsive behavior are more common. They don't have the fully developed capacity to think ahead at this time.